Hey travelers and gamblers for that matter, it's the OCD Traveler, and after months of watching Vegas Matt, Pomsey slots, Ruby slots, it was finally my chance to get to Vegas, and I'm going to share some slot machine action with you. Up first at the Aria Casino is Huff and More Puff. Here we go. All right, so this content is going to be all bonus related, and up first, my wife started with $5.26 left on a $2.25 bet. She got the 6 hard hats, which started off the 6 free spins. As you can see, not much luck is occurring. A couple hard hats coming up. You can see that she is basically getting a bunch of straw huts, which is not where you want to be when you're playing Huff and More Puff, and I'll speed this up. Pretty typical results when you're betting $2.25. She got $16.50 for the straw huts, and we're on to bricks. And the bricks were a little bit better. She got like a whopping $18, but all told, when you add it all together, she got about $35, and that's just not gonna make you rich. And soon she was striking out, so we'll move over to me, and I'm gonna start off with a pretty decent line hit. All right, so I started with $270 and very quickly got this huge line hit. Over $200 in total. It got me up to $540, and this machine kept hitting. So up next, we'll share my first bonus. So after spinning through about $200, I finally hit the 6 hard hats, and there's my bonus, which I'll go ahead and speed up towards the end, but you can see it was pretty successful.
Oh, that's good.
On second thought, I'm not going to speed this up at all. It was so much fun, and it was such a good hit. I'm going to let it roll. You can speed it up if you want to.
Is that a mansion? All right, 2. I need to re-trigger, Jill. Come on. Yeah, baby. Re-trigger. Is that right? Another re-trigger. That's okay. That's really good. Come on, baby. All right, so here we go. So you want to see coins behind the mansion. What? So I got 6 mansions.
I mean, this is my first time ever playing this game. I only had 1 straw hut worth $2.50. That's fine on a, $3.25 bet. So no major surprises there. Only 2 wooden houses, $15. Look, I will take that as well. And then look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mansions. $56, $75, $93, $37.50, 2 miters. Really stellar hit for my first time ever getting this bonus on Huff and More Puff. I started that bonus with $350. I ended by winning $380, so a total of $730. Got a couple of little line hits, and it maybe took me a couple minutes to regress my bet, and then I hit the bonus one more time. Look, timing is everything, and mine sucked this time. It only took me a couple of spins before I regressed my bet to $225, but look, I started that bonus with 7 hard hats, so I will take it.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Look, you're hearing a lot of uh-ohs because after that last bonus round, I was expecting more of the same. Not quite as good, but it got a little better.
Come on, baby. One more. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. $28. As long as I get that grand on the mansion, I'm good. I'll take the major. I'm not stingy. Although the major, they're going to want to like it.
So it huffs and puffs and not a lot of action. When we bring down the straw, you can see total $15.75. Next up are the wood structures, $9, big whoop. And then it's time for the piece de resistance, the mansion. And as that falls, we will find behind it a $50 minor bonus. So all in, we win $75, and it only takes us another $50 before, you guessed it, our next bonus. Still at $2.25 with 6 hard hats starting it off. It's a Sando, Joe. It's a Sando. There we go. More. I don't want a bunch of crappy ones. I need three. It's bad. I know, but these are like $3 if I'm lucky. Well, such is life. I peaked early. You can see I've got a total of 8 straw, 4 wood. So we blow that down. What a whopping $16.50 for the straw. As we take down the wood, it's going to give us another whopping $20 or so. Total win's going to be $39. Takes us to $721 total. And then we quickly get the 3 buzz saws and the wheel feature. This could be the big one. Go mansion. Go mansion. Go mansion. Go mansion. Go mansion. Go buzz saw. Not good. I don't even know if I've seen this. I've never played the buzzsaw feature before. Again, first time ever playing Huff and More Puff, but when you get 10 to start, that can't end too bad, can it? Still at that 225 bet limit, but as you can see, I am not going too far too fast. Yeah, it would. Give me some hard hands, come on. This is pathetic, come on. Well, look, I had to turn down the volume out of the gate one more time because you're going to hear some pretty nasty language from me because this buzzsaw feature completely sucked. You can see I got a lot of straw, 1 whopping wood house. I thought this was going to be the big one for me. It certainly was not. Let's take a look. And as this blows down, once again, you will see that it does, in fact, blow a total of $25.50 plus a whopping, oh, I did get a coin for a mini bonus, which is $10. So what is that? $45.50. Just absolutely pathetic. But look, I think what's important to remember is I started off with $270, and after this bonus, I was cashing out, printing a ticket at $712.19. That's better than a poke in the eye with a stick. So there you go, a $450 win on my first ever attempt at Huff and More Puff. It was fun. Got a couple Perriers, got an old fashioned, got a couple of drinks. It was a great first day at the Aria. I think I actually hit a couple of more bonuses after that as well that I didn't tape. The good news is I was up. I know I cashed that ticket for over $700, up at least $400 altogether, and I wish I was smart enough to tell you that I took that and put it in my pocket and walked away. Instead, I went to play bubble craps, which I've seen people win a tremendous amount of money on YouTube. I'll link Greg Ulio. His videos are great. He makes a lot of money, but I did not. I think I gave back $400 or $500 to start the day. But look, from a Huff and More Puff perspective, it was an awesome outing. But look, do me a favor, hit like and subscribe. I have the luxury line video, a bunch of slots that I won pretty decent on my final day. It was kind of up and down. I did really well with slots in Vegas. But I had a great time. Again, one more time, like and subscribe. And until next time, continue to plan, travel, and repeat.